Hey guys, so let's compare the specs of the Ulefone Armor 21 with the Oukitel WP21. Now this is just a specs comparison. It's not enough to decide and conclude that one device is better than the other. It's just to state the differences and similarities between the two devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So the Armor 21 weighs 400 grams and it is 18.1mm thick, while the Oukitel WP21 is 398 grams and it has a thickness of 18.4mm. The display of the Armor 21 is 6.58 inches with a full HD Plus resolution and an IPS LCD panel. The refresh rate is 120Hz and it has oleophobic coating which helps prevent fingerprint smudges, while that of the WP21 is 6.78 inches with a resolution of Full HD Plus as well and an IPS LCD panel, but the refresh rate is just 60Hz and there is no mention of any kind of screen protection. Both devices are powered by the Helio G99, which means that both devices are expected to perform similarly, but the Oukitel WP21 utilizes 12GB RAM and it has a 256GB internal storage, while the Armor 21 is equipped with 8GB RAM and its internal storage is also 256GB. The Armor 21 runs on the Android 13 operating system, while the WP21 runs on the Android 12. So in the camera department, the Armor 21 features a dual rear camera setup, while the WP21 features a triple rear camera setup. The rear cameras of the Armor 21 consist of a 64MP primary sensor and a 24MP night vision camera. The rear cameras of the Oukitel WP21 consist of a 64MP primary sensor as well, a 20MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens. The front-facing camera of the Armor 21 is 16MP, while that of the WP21 is 20MP. Now, speaking of battery life, the Armor 21 is backed by a 9600 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging, while the WP21 is equipped with a 9800 mAh battery and it ships with a 66 watts fast charger, which is obviously superior and faster than the 33 watts that ships with the Armor 21. Other features of the Armor 21 includes a 122 decibels crazy loud speaker, while the Oukitel WP21 has stereo speakers. The WP21 also has a rear display. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K. They are also military standard 810H certified. Both devices are equipped with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that is embedded on the power button. And both devices also supports Bluetooth 5.2, dual SIM, NFC, face unlock, GPS, and so on. So these are the top features of both devices. As you can see, both devices are equipped with impressive features, guys. If you'd like to share anything about these devices, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.